Sammy Gyamfi, this time Ghana politics are changed. You are respect man. You are a university graduate. People respect you for the nation. NDC people are respect you. This time Ghana politics are changed. If you want to give somebody money, if you dash somebody money like this, don't do it in public. Otherwise people will talk. You must do it like this. From here. And the Ghana people don't see, because when you see, they will talk negative about you. Right now you see Sammy Gyamfi. You are NDC member. We respect you. Right now you write letter for apologize for NDC people. We agree the letter. Next time don't do that again, Sammy Gyamfi. I beg you. You know MPP people are talking. They do big news. Or small little big news. Small thing. Big news. So Sammy Gyamfi, we respect you. Don't do that again. That Akada, I bet you know he insult mama. He insult mama. Me and the call, you no pick my call. Sammy Gyamfi, I respect you a lot. So I beg you.